Today we are discussing about unemployment in India. What is unemployment? A youth when unable to get job in any sector, either government or private, then called unemployed. Unemployment increase every year. Government unable to provide job and busy in politics, not focusing on manufacturing sector, industry, cottage industry, but only politics. Unemployment is a bigger issue than any one of the bigger issues of India today. A unemployed youth always try to get a job to survive in society and life. From CV to advertisement of job, then form fill up, buy books for reading, doing tuition and going coaching class, giving lot of fees, hostel fees, tuition fees, coaching fees, college fees, university fees. From breakfast to fast, young generation and unemployment youth struggle a lot. They face social discrimination because of joblessness. Parents and neighbors always scold them because of their unemployment. Unemployment in rural area. Rural unemployment youth suffer a lot. Rural youth when face unemployment, they migrate to metropolitan town. They work as migration labor. Of course, there are solutions of the problem. First of all, we have to develop our economy by improving production in agriculture. Our agriculture and industry should be modernized so as to enable to unemployed youth to be engaged there. The population growth in our country is one of the cause of unemployment. But the growing population also giving a strong boost to our economy. Thereby, we should change the system. Technical and vocational education should be given to our students in school, college, so that they, after leaving educational institution, they will be engaged themselves by setting up farm, factory, workshop and business organization. And they should try in sports for a further career or in entertainment industry. They can try their luck to get a job. Every person unemployment youth suffer a lot. If you like this video, share this. If you like this analysis of my analysis of unemployment youth, please like, share, subscribe this channel of Avinash Luha, comment on this video. If any query, please give your suggestion in comment box. Subscribe my channel Avinash Luha. your subscribe will help me for doing